Today we are going to learn code optimization. So code optimization based on two things like first we can say machine independent code. Machine independent code optimization. Machine independent code optimization, and it worked on intermediate code. Intermediate code, right? And the next one is machine dependent code optimization, and it worked on target code. So first we talk about the machine independent code. So what comes under that? Multiple things are there. So we can say the first one is, what is that? Loop optimization. And in this, multiple things are there in loop optimization. The first one is loop invariant, then loop unrolling, then loop jamming, then induction variable, so all these things are inside the loop optimization. That comes under machine independent code. So the next point after loop optimization, strength reduction. Strength reduction is there. And the next one is algebraic simplification. The next one is constant folding. Next one is copy propagation. The next one is common subtraction. The next one is common sub expression elimination. And the last one is dead code elimination. So all these things comes under machine independent code optimization, which we are going to learn slowly in coming lectures. And now we come to the machine dependent code. Here also some things are there. What are they? Peephole optimization. The next in register allocation. Next one is use of addressing mode. So we are able to see code optimization divided into two: machine independent code and machine dependent code. And machine independent code, so many things are there, and machine dependent code also so many things are there, which we are going to learn slowly in the next coming lectures. So now coming to the first one, what is loop optimization? What is that? So we can say that if in the given intermediate code, using control CFG, means control flow graph. What we are using? If intermediate code using control flow graph, then we can identify loops in it, right? We can identify loops in it. And what is next in it? Using basic blocks. Using basic blocks, we can construct CFG, control flow graph. So now we know what is loop optimization and what we are using in that, basic blocks. So what is the meaning of basic blocks? What is the meaning of basic blocks? So we can say the set of 3 address statement, in which control enters at the beginning and leaves at the end without any halt, or we can say jump. In between is called basic block. So it enters and leaves without any halt or jump in between, then it is called basic block, right? And so this is basic block. Now again continue to loop optimization. What is next here? Using leaders, we can divide the given intermediate code into basic blocks. Using leaders, we can divide the given intermediate code into basic blocks. So obviously now we are talking about leaders. So what are leaders and how we can find out leaders? So how to find leaders? So we can find like this. The first statement is leader. And what is next? Next is target of a go-to statement is a leader. Target of a go-to statement is a leader. And what is next? Next statement followed by go-to. Is a leader. So how we can find out leader? We can find out that first statement is leader and the target where we are going to go-to statement is a leader, and next statement followed by a go-to statement is also a leader. So in that way we can find out the leader. And using leader we can divide the given intermediate code into the basic blocks. So we know how we can find out basic code blocks, the set of 3 address statement in which control enters at the beginning and leaves at the end without any halt and jump. And this is known as basic blocks. So all these things comes under loop optimization. So today we have learned code optimization division based on the machine dependent or independent. We have learned so many things are there. So first we have learned loop optimization. What is loop optimization? And one more thing is also there in loop optimization. What is that? Control flow graph. So that thing we are going to learn in the coming lecture, the next lecture. So if you like the thing, like it, subscribe it, and comment below. So if any doubt and any query is there, you can write in the comment section. Thanks.